Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty and easy French toast. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. Let's get into today's video. I'm going to use 4 slices of bread. I'm going to use a white bread, or you can use any bread that you prefer, and I'm going to cut them into 2 as you can see in the video. The next step, take a medium small bowl, add 3 eggs, then add a bit of black pepper and salt and mix the eggs very well. Afterwards, place a medium pan on a medium heat, then add 1 tablespoon of butter and let the butter to melt. Once the butter has melted, pour the egg mixture into the pan. Then take 2 slices of bread and soak the slices of bread into the egg mixture and let the egg to cook at least 1 minute. After 1 minute, flip on the other side and let the egg to cook for another 1 minute. The next step, you're going to fold the ends as you can see in the video. Then I'm going to add some cheese with chicken fillet. So basically with this French toast, they mainly use cheddar cheese, but I don't like cheddar. You can use any cheese that you like, that's up to you. Afterwards, fold it into 2 and let it cook for 1 minute, and after 1 minute your French toast will be ready. I'm going to do the second design, so basically you're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter or blueband and let the butter to melt. Once the butter has melted, pour the egg mixture into the pan. Then take 2 slices of bread and soak the slices of bread into the egg mixture and let the egg to cook at least 1 minute. After 1 minute, flip on the other side and let the egg to cook for another 1 minute. So lastly, repeat the same process by folding the ends. Then I'm going to add some cheese. At this point, you can able to add some jam or bacon, that's up to you, and let it cook for another 1 minute and your French toast will be ready and serve on a plate. And my tasty French toast are ready as you can see in the video. I'm going to cut them into 2 so you can able to see how the inside look. Like these French toasts are so tasty. Enjoy with some fruit or a cup of tea or coffee and enjoy your French toast. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.